In this video, I'll show you how to earn free PayPal money for watching ads, which is a new strategy to make $697 online till 2021. How does it work? We're about to find out. Now the 3 steps to earning $697 for watching ads are: step number 1. I'm going to be revealing the number 1 site that is paying people to watch short ads. Step number 2. I'm going to be unveiling how to cash out your earnings with this site. And then step number 3, I'm going to be showing you how to automate your earnings on this site and get other people to watch the ads for you. Now let's dive in straight into the video. So let's go ahead and go to Oju. This is where you can earn money by viewing advertisements. As you see right here, watching ads will pay you for viewing advertisements from their advertising partners. So businesses come here, they want to advertise their businesses. They pay Oju, and Oju splits the profit with you. They split that revenue with you just for viewing those advertisements. You don't have to buy anything, it's totally free. So what you're going to do is register and earn watching ads. You're going to set up your account. I'm going to show you some ads that are going to look like this. It's going to be like McDonald's, maybe, their burger or whatever. You're going to simply watch their little video campaign and boom, money lands straight into your account. So as you'll see, you'll get a $20 bonus just for signing up, earn watching advertisements, and I'm going to show you multiple ways to earn on the site. So let's go ahead and go into the exact strategy. Now when we go over here, this is going to be our dashboard. Now the first thing you're going to want to click on is pay to click ads, because that's what we came here for. We want that quick cash, and we want to make that money simply for clicking on little ads. And as you see right here, here's some businesses that are paying you to click on their advertisements. You have Unit Systems, Smart Trade Coin, Time Bucks, Halloween promos, lots of different ads, and they're paying out very small amounts. But literally the ads are just 5 seconds short. You don't have to watch the whole thing, just let it play in a separate browser. You can click on every single one of these ads. That's going to take you 10 seconds, and then what you're going to do is refresh this page so that new ads come up and your money starts filling into your dashboard. So this is a quick and easy way to start earning on this particular site. Now the money is not that great just for clicking on the ads, you're going to have to do a lot of different ads. So I'm going to show you an even better way to start earning on this site. So what you're going to do is, you're going to click on offers, and you're going to go to Oju Grid. And that's going to take you to this page. Now this pays a little bit more. As you see right here, they're paying about $1 just for clicking anywhere in this picture. You're just going to click all these advertisements. Little ads are going to start popping up, and you're going to earn even more with this strategy. So this is very easy to do. And you know, honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to start earning money watching these little ads. So how am I going through even more? Well, go onto this website, Oju Contest, which I'll link below the like button as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to collect points. It says contest, invite new direct referrals, collect points and get money on your current balance. So how are you going to collect more points? Well, you're going to have to get referrals, meaning people come to this site. We're going to invite strangers to this site, and they're going to watch the ads for us. You see right here, these are some of the prize winners. This guy right here won $200, these $100, $50 for 3rd place, 4th place $40. And then once you place anything lower than 15th place, you're going to get $5. Any extra money's great. I'm going to show you how to get thousands of people to come to this site and watch the ads for you, so that you can earn not only from what they earn, you can also win this contest every single time, okay? And get the 1st place spot because this guy doesn't even have that many points. I'm going to show you exactly how to get more points and win this contest every single day. Direct referrals, you're probably wondering what that means. Well, when you refer someone to this site and they sign up and they start earning money watching ads, you're going to get paid out. Now, if you have 40 direct referrals, okay, this is their benefits calculator. You're going to earn $697 per month, recurring every single month. You're going to earn $697 based off of your people, the referrals that are watching the ads. Now let's say we get 500 people to this site, you're going to earn $1,714 monthly from people watching ads on the site. Now, this is a safe bet. I can easily show you how to get 2,000 people to this site within this month. And that's going to be $5,000 in pure profit from this particular site. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's go ahead and click on affiliate program. That's going to take you to this page. And basically, you're going to earn 30% of whatever your referrals earn. So if your one referral earns $100, you're going to get $30. So imagine having 1,000 referrals, each earning $100. You're going to get $30 times 1,000. And then obviously that goes exponential. Then you get 2,000 referrals, 3,000, and you get more and more money without you having to physically log into the site and watch the ads yourself. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. What we're going to do is scroll down, and you're going to see this little link right here, link to promote. Now this is my special link. You're going to have your own special link. And when someone clicks on this special link and signs up to Oju and starts watching ads, you're going to get paid for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link, and I'm going to show you this method. This is a free traffic method that's pretty easy, and you could get a few hundred referrals. We're going to go to facebook.com. And what we're going to search in the search bar is Make Money Online Club USA. This is one of the biggest make money groups. It has almost 200,000 members of people from the USA that want to make money online, and they don't know how to. So what we're going to do is to make a post with our little link on it that we got over here. They will allow you to do it because they encourage people to post their links and share their business opportunities to this group. So that's exactly what we're going to do in this group. We're going to post our link. We have access to over 200,000 members, and we're going to get at least a few hundred clicking on our link and signing up to Oju.